In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Calm app on Android. If you're looking for an easy way to bring guided meditation, sleep stories, breathing exercises, relaxing music, and mindfulness tools to your phone or tablet, you'll have it set up in just a couple of minutes. First, open the Google Play Store. That's the official place to get Android apps, and it's the multicolored triangle icon you use for downloads and updates. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the store can load quickly. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar. You'll see a blinking cursor and a keyboard pop up, ready for what you want to find. Type Calm. As you type, suggestions may appear, but go ahead and finish typing the word, then look through the results. From the results list, select Calm, Sleep, Meditate, Relax. This is the official listing for the Calm app. The icon usually features a blue gradient with the word Calm on it, which helps you spot the right one at a glance. On the app's page, tap Install. The Play Store will start downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your connection and device, this might take a few moments. If the download seems slow, that's normal on busy networks. You may also notice a progress ring or a percentage indicator as it goes. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. The app will launch and you'll be ready to explore. You'll find guided meditations to help you focus or unwind, sleep stories to ease you into rest, gentle breathing exercises to reset during the day, relaxing music for background calm, and a variety of mindfulness tools to support a regular practice. All of this is presented in a clean, simple interface that's beginner-friendly. A quick note on compatibility. Calm requires Android 8.1 or later on most devices. If you don't see the install button or the app doesn't appear in search, your device or software version may not meet the requirement or the app might not be available in your region. That's all there is to it. You opened the Google Play Store, searched for Calm, selected Calm, Sleep, Meditate, Relax, tapped Install, and then tapped Open once it finished. Enjoy building a daily moment of peace with your new app, and feel free to personalize the experience as you go.